how to find someone without username in Roblox. So for example, let's say that you want to find somebody who was your friend, but you've lost them. So for example, I'm going to do John here in people. And let's say this is the person that I've played with. Now, how can we find their profile without the username if we don't remember it? So what I suggest you doing is, if you use Google Chrome, we're going to click on the three dots here, and then we want to go to history, hover over history, and just open up your browser history. So if you've opened up their account previously, you will be able to see their name right here. So as soon as you recognize their name, for example, if it was John Doe, like the person that I showed you, we can open it up right here. So for example, let's say I was searching for Alex. If I click on it, it's going to load up this person's profile. So hopefully you loaded up their profile beforehand. So just go through your history and find the person, and as soon as you recognize their name, you will be able to get access to their profile. So I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.